What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we will be building the Lego Technic Telehandler. It's one of the smaller Lego sets, 143 pieces, but still Technic, so it should have some moving parts, so that'll be exciting. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more content. I post almost daily. I finally missed a day yesterday because I was a little busy, but generally it's daily. So let's go ahead and get it built. Alright, here's our finished build. So, up top here, there's a little turn wheel that turns the actual wheels on the vehicle. And on the back, there's a little crank, and that's going to move the telehandler itself. And then this can come off. Just an extra little piece that you can, show it's holding something. But overall, pretty cool little build. I love the Technic series because there's always something fun that they can do. It's always nice when Lego can give us pieces that we can interact with instead of just statues. But I like that they have some smaller Technic series because it's just fun that you can have, without having to go buy like a $400 set. I think this one was $12.99. You can go get a nice little set that still does, little movements and still has, gears inside of it. It doesn't have to be some, crazy, huge, Technic set. It can just be something small. So I do like that Lego's been giving it to us recently. But this one was fun. As always, guys, make sure that you like and subscribe for more content. I do post daily, and I'll see you guys on the next build.